welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. So excited to have you join us here. Today we're going to be talking about business development for entrepreneurs and small business owners. I recently had an amazing collaboration with a group from Landed for Success, and you're going to hear from some of the entrepreneurs and professionals that attended. And I want to talk to those who are self-employed, whether you are a small to medium business owner or you are a sales agent, commission-based person. It's so important that you surround yourself with like-minded individuals that want you to succeed. I am proud to promote our Business Mastery workshop that's being held on September the 17th. It's a great event. The cost is $500, but we are offering it for $200 for a 4-hour workshop to get your mindset certification in terms of how you need to build your business. As your business ambassador and an innovator and an entrepreneur herself, I will be tapping into all of the skill sets and giving you all the trade secrets that you need to learn about business development, mindset development, and building multiple streams of income. How to borrow money for free or little cost and leverage that money to build your business platform and convert you into the genius leader and business owner that you deserve to be. It is so important in this country to be able to build multiple streams of income. It is so important to be able to build generational wealth. It is so important to brand your business and increase your business income as much as you can to be able to afford living in an expensive country that offers beautiful things. I really want you to sign up in September. I think it's going to be a great opportunity for business owners, business startup companies, professionals, and young entrepreneurs that are thinking of starting and opening up their business. This is a great opportunity for you to humble yourself, extract and use this as a sponge, and learn all of the tricks and trades and what resources and tools that you need to become a genius in your own mastery. Whether or not you're opening up a restaurant, or you're opening up a law firm, or you're a real estate agent or a mortgage agent, whatever it is that you are doing, this is the best time for you to start planning in September to make sure that in 2025 and in QR4, you are planning with succession goals that are going to knock you out of the park for success. That home run is what we're going to want to take you in terms of really branding. For the Landed for Success, you're going to be seeing some videos on the screen and some testimonials of how great this event is. And I'm so proud to tell you that one of my missions here at the BridgGroup of companies, it's all about changing lives. And one of the things that I want to do is to give back and share my expertise and my experience and all of the do's and all of the don'ts. That is really, really important. So pick up the phone. The invite is on the screen. The QR code is on there. It's on pause right now. And please sign up. I promise you it's going to be a game-changing opportunity and experience for you to elevate your business platform. I also want everyone to sign up if you have a child or a young adult for our complimentary financial literacy workshop. It's great. It's a paid event and lunch will be served. We are going to be training and educating all youngsters and young adults how to build a financial security and understand about financial literacy and understanding how to build their credit and of course become financially responsible as they grow older and make sure that they plan their goals and success. I'm super excited to be a game-changing business ambassador for all of those of you who are serious about building a serious business and earning serious income. Thank you for joining.